So we have this dent on the back of this truck. So this is a truck where a truck bed should be. Major collision damage on this one. And just had a couple little dents from either the bed hitting the back of the cab or something, but we didn't get tools on the backside. We actually used our glue pulling setup here to pull this dent out. Worked out pretty well. Got another one to do right here still, this little tiny guy, but we did one inside of this circle here. There you go. Thanks for watching.